Get ready for main dictation, May 1976. Start. I am grateful to the director and member of staff of this Institute of Technology for having invited me to perform the opinion ceremony of the building of your institute this evening. It has always been an encouraging and interesting experience for me to meet you, men and women, students and teachers who are engaged in imparting knowledge. It makes me feel happier and younger. I shall carry with me the happy memory of the pleasant time I have spent in your midst this evening. I have been greatly impressed by the considerable thought and hard work that has gone into the design and construction of this building, which I have had the pleasure to inaugurate. I find that it is designed to meet all the present requirements of the institute and also to provide for future expansion. Its cost has been kept significantly low, and the speed with which it has been constructed deserves admiration. The development of modern industry has been one of our significant achievements in the post independence period. We have started several new industries and expanded old ones. This has enabled us to reduce imports to meet increased internal demands and to promote exports in certain important sectors. In this regard, many of our programs for the development of higher technical education have really made a significant contribution. In the last 20 years, we have expanded many of our old engineering colleges. In our view, a bigger institution tends to be more economic and efficient. We have established several new institutions, among which special mention should be made of the regional engineering colleges. We have also created two universities in which the main program is the education of engineers. All these are institutions of national importance which give their own degrees and maintain high standards. Their principal objects to provide facilities for excellent postgraduate education and research within the country itself. Their significant contribution to the development of industry is now universally acknowledged. International organizations have also helped us in a big way to establish these institutions. I convey our gratitude to them and especially to the government of the United Kingdom in the development of higher education. The essence lies in creating a few centers of excellence where the highest standards possible are maintained. These centers are now utilized for producing high quality teachers, textbooks, and other materials. The establishment of Indian Institute of Technology is a good illustration of this process of improving standards in higher education. It has produced good results so far. I hope it will, in the long run, crown our efforts with success. I very much wish that such programs would be developed in other sectors as well. While I greatly appreciate these attempts at improving quality, we have to be on guard against two dangers. The first is to ensure that our efforts to increase quality did not result in expenditure beyond our means. I do agree that good education can never be had cheaply. From the manager Anna Printing Works, Coimbatore to Mrs. Ravi and Co. Kamaraj Salai, Virudhunagar. Dear sirs, we have great pleasure in introducing ourselves as one of the leading printers of modern calendars and various attractive advertising materials. As the new year is approaching, I am sure you will realize that the best way to get more and more customers for the coming year is to supply them beautiful calendars. We wish to suggest that attractive picture calendars with your company name printed on them will prove to be an excellent medium of advertisement. This will keep your company's name fresh in the memory of your customers for a full year. We have supplied such fine calendars to a number of leading firms in your place in past years, and all of them are continuously placing orders for more and more of these calendars. Our representative, Mr. Wayland, will call on you sometime in the first week of the next month. He will then show you the samples of all the calendars and diaries. After having a look at them, you may place your order. We will promptly execute it and execute it to your fullest satisfaction. Yours faithfully, Staff.